Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Buds, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called display and brightness. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, before you start adjusting the brightness, make sure to disable the auto brightness, because if it's enabled and you change the brightness, it will change back to something else because the watch will adjust the brightness automatically. So if you want your brightness to stay at a specific level, you need to disable the auto brightness first. And once you disable it, you can tap on brightness, and now you can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.